Mortals of Earth, one of the strangest stories about Saturn doesn't come from myth or science fiction. It comes from a real NASA scientist. His name was Dr. Norman Bergrun, and he worked on the Voyager missions that gave us our first close-up look at Saturn's rings. In 1985, Bergrun published a book called Ringmakers of Saturn. In it, he claimed he had discovered enormous, living electromagnetic vehicles inhabiting Saturn's rings. He said these weren't just debris, but active spacecraft of immense power. According to his analysis, they weren't only moving through the rings, they were actually producing the rings themselves, leaving visible trails as if the rings were being manufactured right before our eyes. And this wasn't just a fringe claim. Dr. Bergrun had a long and respected career, 12 years at the Ames Research Laboratory under NACA, which became NASA. He managed test planning for the Polaris missile system, helped pioneer methods of thermal ice prevention on aircraft, contributed to roll stability laws for airplanes and missiles, and later founded his own company. By any measure, he was a credentialed insider, and yet his claims have been virtually ignored. What's strange is that now we keep hearing about mysterious interstellar objects suddenly entering our solar system, like ʻOumuamua a few years ago, or the newest reports about Atlas objects being tracked. These dominate headlines, yet credible reports from highly qualified people claiming evidence of massive, intelligently created craft already here have been dismissed or forgotten. It seems like every day brings more data on the latest mystery rock zipping through space, but decades-old data suggesting enormous vehicles orbiting right here in our solar system, that gets brushed aside. So the question is, why do some discoveries get amplified while others are buried? That's all for now. Stay curious. Have a good one.